YouTube, 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 YouTube. How do I get a trademark for my YouTube channel? Hey everybody, my name is Marcella Dominguez, and if you are new here, I am trademark lawyer helping small and medium-sized companies protect their names, logos, taglines, brands on and offline. I am talking to you today about how to protect your YouTube channel name. You know, lots of people go into this YouTube business thinking, I'm gonna pump out all these videos, I'm gonna grow my brand, I'm gonna grow my business, it's gonna be a source of lead generation, and maybe you just want to share content because it's a hobby of yours. But regardless, if you are treating YouTube and your YouTube business name, your YouTube channel, your YouTube content as a business, then chances are you're going to want to protect it with a trademark. Now, what is a trademark? Trademark is a type of intellectual property. What is intellectual property? Well, let's not go in circles with definitions, okay? But all that to say that a trademark is going to help you protect your logo, your name, your tagline, your slogan. Different businesses have varying amounts of trademarks. There are some businesses that only have one trademark, and there are big corporations and even smaller corporations that have many trademarks. And so the reason I'm telling you that is because everybody thinks, all right, well, I'm only going to have one trademark. No, if you make sure to keep on watching the videos in this playlist, particularly this one right here up there, then you're going to realize that companies can have just one, they can have two, maybe for their business name and their logo, but some of the biggest corporations have lots and lots of trademarks, so you're not limited by the quantity. But anyway, if you have a YouTube channel and you're definitely pumping out content, you're sharing a particular service or you're sharing a particular product and people are actively buying from you, and you know, you keep putting out your content, whether it's educational, informational, whatever it is. I mean, maybe you're a musician who is putting out music. There are lots of music YouTube channels out there. Some of my favorites are like the lo-fi music, homework music, study music, because even though I don't have homework, I just like the lo-fi beats. And so that is the business. They're in the business of making music. Now there are also people who teach you how to start a YouTube channel. So that is educational content. So that's a business in and of itself, because there are people that sell courses teaching you how to put together your YouTube channel in the proper format, how to use titles, tags, descriptions. There's even software out there that you can use to optimize your videos. But anyway, that's beside the point. My point is that there are people creating informational content out there, and then the products that they sell are in relation to that content. So what I'm trying to explain to you is that if your YouTube channel does not promote the sale of any types of goods or services, then it is going to be hard to register it as a trademark, because the trademark office requires that you use a word, name, symbol, or sound in connection with the sale of products or services. That's just what they require, and there is no getting around that. So if your YouTube channel is in some way connected to a business name, a logo, slogan, tagline, and it is in connection with the sale of products or services, then you're going to be good to go. You can protect that YouTube name. Sometimes YouTube channel names are going to be the name of the business itself. Like, let's say, for example, I don't know if this is the case or not, but everybody recognizes the e-commerce brand Shopify, or the e-commerce platform of Shopify. And so Shopify is a place where you can go on and you can create your own website for selling goods online. So it's like your own little e-commerce store. Well, Shopify might have a YouTube channel that's going to be called Shopify. So sometimes the name of the YouTube channel is going to be what the product name is or what the business name is, and that's okay. Now, there are people who aren't always going to name their YouTube channel after their product or their business name. You know, It could be something similar, like it obviously makes a connection. So for example, you know, there's the brand Mercedes-Benz, right? And I'm sure that there's a YouTube channel about Mercedes-Benz cars, but the channels that are talking about these Mercedes-Benz cars, those channels don't have the name Mercedes. Maybe some of them have YouTube channels named Cars Deluxe or luxury cars or cars around the world or something like that. So as long as the channel, again, is used in the sale of goods or services and it's treated like a business, then it sounds like you might be able to register. But if you want to double check with me, then feel free to send me an email, because it is absolutely free to send me an email. Now, if you're wondering why I'm doing weights at the same time that I'm talking to you, it's because my New Year's resolution is to exercise more than I did last year. And I figure, why not kill two birds with one stone? So here I am, exercising and talking to you and sharing some tidbits about how to protect your YouTube channel name. Now, no, not necessarily. The requirement is that you use it in commerce, and use in commerce has its own definition. So use in commerce means that you have made sales. How many sales? Well, case law doesn't give an exact number of sales, but you should have had some sales in commerce of a product, a service, in connection with, you know, the marketing advertisement of this particular business. So if your YouTube channel is your business and you're making sales of some kind, then the trademark office is going to ask you dates. They're not going to ask you for receipts, because everybody always asks, am I going to have to show receipts? No, you're not going to have to show receipts. But whatever you put in that application is the equivalent of being under oath. So you do not want to go and lie, because there is the penalty of perjury. So just tell the truth always. So if you want to know if you can protect your YouTube channel name, make sure you send us an email, or you can scroll down below if you already know that you want to register it for sure. One of the quickest ways you can register it is by visiting trademarkanything.com. It's only $199, not even $200. It's quick, it's easy, and it's the DIY solution for you to protect your channel name. But you can also get customized and personalized service from us. You'll have to email us if you want to work with us directly. So if you haven't started on YouTube, then keep on watching some more YouTube videos to learn how to start up your YouTube channel. Otherwise, I look forward to registering your YouTube channel name and seeing your application come across my desk. If this video was helpful, make sure you hit the bell and subscribe. I'll see you soon. And if you like these dumbbells that are adjustable, the ones I'm using, make sure that you go down into the description below so you can figure out where to get yours and exercise with me. Bye.